guys, welcome to All-in-One channel. I'm your host Dharan, and today we are going to speak about a particular topic which is such a demanded topic. So, money guys. Money is the only thing in this world, even if it's given abundantly, no human will be satisfied with this. And today we are going to speak about top 5 ways by which you can really legitimately make real money in online. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe the channel guys. And let's get into the video. There are a lot of ways which you can make money in online guys. Internet gives you wide range of access to all the websites in the world, so you can make unlimited money from it. But here are the 5 ways by which I truly made some money guys. It's not like money that are going to fill your bank account or make you look rich, but it's a money that is enough for you to do something useful, or a person who knows to use internet properly can get any much amount of money without any problem. So it's important to understand what are there and what are the legit ways available for that, and I'm here to tell you guys that. And if you like that, don't forget to leave which of the following things are you gonna follow and which of them yielded you some money. It will be so thankful, and leave that in the comment section. 5 goes to trading. Trading is a place, this is a stock market business. To be first and to be honest, it's not the thing that I do. Instead, I get recommendation and I get information from the friends who knows completely about it, and you can really earn a lot of profit from this, because you are going to determine whether the company which you are going to be investing on is going to get a profit or a loss. You are going to determine that. There is a lot of domains and a lot of websites that are providing all the necessary things you need. You are just a click away, and when you are giving all your bank details and when you are just clicking, if you are getting the correct click, then they are going to give you a lot of money guys. So this is trading, and it has been widely used. This stock market is now going a bit low because of this COVID-19, going high depending upon the field which is going high, and you don't have to worry about it. But if you are an account student or if you are good with graphs and statistics, I think trading is a go-to option for you, and it's a legit way to earn money. It's no illegal. It's like you're determining the future thing, and I think 5paisa.com is the best website, and I have used that personally, and IQ option also. But some of them, they have a twisted algorithm, like whereas in the first 3 times where all the options that you click will be correct, but after that all the trades that you put on for heavy amounts, they will be loose guys. I think there is a little bit twisted algorithm, but if you want me to make a video about that, leave that in the comment section below. It's still I like stock markets. It's trading. It's a lot of money, everybody likes money in this world, so I'm also a lover of money. So trading is a good option guys. So that's the 5th position. Now let's go to the 4th position. So the number 4th position goes to Amazon. I'm not telling Amazon company. Here there is a lot of fields in Amazon. So I'm going to say about Amazon sales and Amazon ebook, which is so-called Kindle. So first let me tell about Kindle guys. Kindle is a place where you read a lot of books, and you get to know about new things, you get to see new books, you read a lot of authors' materials. But place where you can earn from Kindle, like if you are a good author, if you are going that I'm good at writing something, I'm good at, Kindle offers you option where you can put out your thoughts into a book, which can be released electronically, and they are paying you guys. That is the most interesting thing. Even the bestseller books of Amazon Kindles is from the people who never thought that their book is going to be ever winning that much big name, because Amazon Kindle is a go-to option guys. And there is a second thing called Amazon selling. So Amazon selling is a thing where you say you are making a lot of handcrafts and handlooms, and what Amazon does is that when you are registering to Amazon seller, you are just going to give your product to Amazon, and Amazon is going to do all the hard work, and they are going to frame your product into a proper package, and they are going to send it to the people who are going to like it, and they will be displaying all the ads you need for your product in their websites. So it's like nothing you have to do, but still they are going to take a small amount of portion from the profit that you are earning. But still think about it guys, you are providing 100 products and you are getting interest rate of just 1% or 0.5%. At that time the profit will be so high, which you won't consider about the loss of rate. And still think about this as doing all the hard works they need for getting your product to the right hand. A lot of people are getting benefited from it, and I hope you will also be benefited from it. So that's the 4th position guys. Moving on to the list, place I'm going to give it to all these Android platform games, say MPL or Dream11, even Hello and PayPal, Paytm. I'm going to tell about it guys. So first of all, understand this. There is a lot of survey apps that are circling around the Play Store, and which they will say that will be pay $1 if you just this 2-minute survey. But think practical thing, they are just simply setting you to a trap. So say you're getting $1 for doing a survey, but the minimal withdrawal rate is $20. So you will have to grind a lot more, and they are not going to give that $1 free again for you. You have to finish nearly hundreds of survey to earn that $1 again. So what they are making is they're just bringing traffic to their website, and they're making to stay you there. They're just going to give you the false thought that you can withdraw that $1 even if it's a $1, but still they are not going to allow you to do that, because $1 is itself a big thing for the company which has more than 500,000 users. So it's hard to get that, guys. So if you are getting any kind of survey thing, don't believe in that. And so any legit ways from which you can earn money by all these playing things or real way. So the real thing is MPL and Dream11, guys. So I think I personally earned nearly 2,500 from MPL, and I lost sometimes in Dream11 too, but I didn't lose the money that I put in. So the thing about MPL and Dream11 is there may be a lot of professional players, and they are, but the thing is that if you are not placing a bid on this high ranged places, like where you are going to put in 3,000 rupees and get in 9,000, instead you can put in some small amount, say 5 and 10, so you can get easy profit from it, guys. That's the way by which my friends, I see people earn a lot of money, and I think that is the most easiest way to, I think. And you're just going to set up teams, and they're going to pay you on all platforms like PayPal, Paytm, or Skrill, anything you want, guys. So the second position goes to affiliate marketing. So since I said affiliate marketing, you may think it includes Amazon also. Yes, it includes Amazon. Many of the online big giants and many of the online platforms are allowing this affiliate programming. Even TubeBuddy or Flipkart or eBay or Myntra, everything is available, this affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is nothing but they are going to give you a product's link, like say they're going to give you a product in, so they're going to give you a product, and all you have to do is make viewers like that product and purchase that product. So you can't just make them purchase that in random link. Amazon or any online platform will give you a special link for you, so that which you have to make the user to click on that link and purchase your product throughout that link. So what happens is that Amazon identified, or any online platform that identifies that you are providing that link and you are the user who are the owner of that particular link, and when they purchase the product, Amazon or any online platforms are going to give you a share of that product's overall rate. So that is the most advantageous thing, and I personally recommend, when money earning online, I think affiliate marketing is the best way, since it's easy, it's open, it's passive, it's very visible, it's transparent, there is nothing happening in the back end, but everything going on is visible to your eyes. You can test to your friends. When your friends are ordering something from Amazon, make sure to get them your Amazon affiliate marketing, and you can make them buy, guys. And that is a easy do thing. Even when you are ordering a product, when you are having friends who do affiliate programming, then you are going to reduce the money because you are going to get it back again, right? So it's a way of saving your money and even earning some money online. If you are talented, if you are having a good social media platform with a good number of following, I think affiliate marketing is a should on go, guys. So that is the second spot. And number one. So the number one position, despite of all the online materials that are available, I came to a personal conclusion that this is the best way of earning money online and 100% legit. So you may argue with me on this, but I think I'll give the first position to freelancing, guys. Freelancing is nothing but pick about a particular field which you are so much talented or so much into, and what you're going to do is that you're going to offer a client open-ended platform, that you are ready to do a project. So say for example, when you're good at web designing or photo editing even, go to websites like Fiverr or Upwork and Freelancer, which are the 3 websites that I personally recommended and which I personally use to get my projects done. These 3 websites are the most legit, even though there are a lot of tricksters and fraudsters out there. It's you who have to be careful with the projects and with selecting the projects and with hiring the people to do them, because when you're doing a project on Flipkart or Amazon regarding that web designing or photo editing, I think that Freelancer can give a particular answer for that, but still you have to be careful, guys. Like say for example, when you are just started on freelancing, what you have to do is that you should not go for that top end project. You should just start with the basic ones, and after you are finishing the project successfully, what they will do is that the user will give them satisfaction ratings, which will help you to build your profile. So thus, by building your profile, what happens is that a lot of people will see that, and a lot of people will get engaged to your profile, and they will make requests to do their projects too. So this is the best way, guys. And the three websites that I recommend, as I said previously, freelancer.com, upwork.com, and fiverr.com. Fiverr.com is the most open-ended guide, and I love using Fiverr personally, because when I started with a gig of $5, and now I'm nearly earning like $50 for transcribing of any lyrics, and also for web development too. So these are the ways that I tried out, guys. So that's been to a summary, but I think a lot of people are there in online marketing or this online earning field. Still, they are busy doing their work, and we are not having an awareness about it. That's why you are watching this video. There's a lot of fake news are circling around the internet about earning money online. It's not that easy, guys. You need to have the hard work towards the work that you are doing. This online work demands the work rate of more than the works that you are doing in daily life. Like say you're working on a company or a company firm. This online field or freelancing field, take anything, it demands a lot of work more than that. There is nothing in this world simply available, guys. You have to put on all your hard work. Even when you are trying going on to YouTube, there is a lot of problems in it, right? You can ask me how you are saying this, but the most important thing is I was brought to this field before 2 years, guys. And initially I didn't had anything to do about, and I didn't get any. I started earning like 100 and 200 for just typing and proofreading. Sometimes mostly I do proofreading only, because that's kind of easy, where you can use some of the softwares like Grammarly or even Google to circulate what are the wrong things in the sentence, and I think that's the easiest way, guys. And these are the common things that I use personally, which I personally recommend all of you to do. And there is more, guys, like blog writing and YouTubing. There is a lot more, but sometimes it requires that initial investment into it. So the fifth position is the only place where you have to make an investment, but all the balance for is depending upon your talent and skill, guys. So I think this video will prove to be useful, and if you like this video, leave that in the comments. And if you want me to make a video on any other particular topic, comments below. And love you all, stay safe, and remember this, guys, money is important for us, but to earn money you have to be specific on a particular talent. So grow that talent of yours, and you're surely going to be successful.